So when tech, title, and lending partners are in sync, real estate teams have peace of mind, right? Knowing that they can focus on revenue generating activities, leaving the back end stuff to a set of partners like us that are best suited to support their businesses. From a lending perspective, Mike, talk about that.
Or from partners, I think, that just handle their business, right?
Yeah.
That's a big part of it for them. Yeah. A lot of stuff what we try to do, the last thing we want are agents having to stop what they're doing and say, hey, I know I sent my lender over that lead. Where's it at? What's going on with that guy? We use normal follow-up, but we also have some tech tools that help us automate that process of letting them know when we've spoken to them, what the next step is, what they've sent us, what they haven't sent us, if we've not been able to reach out to them. We try to keep it so they always know what's going on. Same thing when the loan's in process, right? The last thing we ever want is for a realtor to have to stop what they're doing and call and say, hey, where's my loan? What's going on with my loan? With automated updates, with our CRM updating them, that's just not going to happen. So you just want a partner that's going to keep you focusing on your side and know that we'll take care of ours.
And is there some kind of, do you do any financial support? Is there something involved there?
Sure, we understand this is a business, right? And businesses cost money, and hopefully the money you're spending has an ROI. So we're always open to financially assisting with our realtor partners, and we treat it like a business. There's an ROI we're looking for that investment, and we're here to support them.